Hi, friends and following. Hello, hello, hello. I'm back with another video. I know after a really long time, but today it's Pilates class. There's something I thought was on my pants, but actually it was on the mirror, so that's it. Now we're heading towards the class, but first, water. Carrying my water. 1.2 liters I recently got. I'm super excited to drink water from this because it keeps me hydrated, plus it helps me keep a check on how much water I've had in the entire day, as hydration is very, very, very important. Hello. Oh god, a silent reply to my hello doesn't seem like a very good day for me, especially when nobody else is in the class and it's just me today. However, I'm very, very excited as this is my 30th day of doing Pilates without a break, and I'm super, super happy. And my motivation to continuing doing Pilates comes as a result of increase in my strength that I have noticed over a period of time, and it's worth all the effort and all the pain that you will see me go through in the class. So we're starting off with glute bridges. This is the simplest of all the exercises, and that's how these teachers usually begin taking classes from simplest to the toughest. So this is just one step to my entire session of an hour today. Here is another variation of what I just did, glute bridges. You must be knowing this, and of course some of you who ever feel like trying this out, try this and let me know in the comments whether you were able to do it easily or you found it tough, because I'm finding it really tough. Also, I am not very used to, or you can't say that I'm pro in recording all these videos, so for all the glitches and a sort of boring video, I'm extremely sorry. This is what I do for my fans. This effort is solely for them because they have been waiting for me to post a video since a really long time, and I think now is the time. It's already very late, I know, but I also know that it's never too late. The fact that I wanted to make a Pilates video was Pilates is my newfound love, and I wanted to share this love with you all. Hope you guys find some inspiration and also enjoy watching this video along with me and working out along with me. Sort of no nonsense teacher, तो मैं ज़्यादा बात नहीं कर रही हूँ, बिल्कुल quietly whatever she's telling me and asking me to do, I'm doing it. And abhi I'm only focusing right now on my core strength. That's how when you are working on a muscle, you have to concentrate on that particular muscle and keep it engaged throughout the workout, throughout your session of 1 hour, so that at the end of the day or end of the session you can feel the burn at the core, and that's how your muscle starts building. So second side of the same exercises. पता नहीं आप लोग क्या सोचते हो, my life is so happening. This is my life. This is my amazing life, and I'm super happy and grateful about having this sort of life. I really enjoy when I'm not working. Working on myself is my first priority, and I always try and do that the most. The entire day of mine is basically spent on myself, my growth, my improvement, my workouts, my dance class, my gym, my yoga, what I eat in a day. I plan out everything right in the morning. I write it in a diary what I need to do, when I need to do, and that's how my life begins. My day begins. Oh my god, एक second. क्या? Now she's added 2 more bricks to my legs. क्या इतना कम था? But you know, I'm kind of liking it. So bring it on. Also, one more thing. Everybody thinks that exercising, keeping yourself fit and fine, keeping a check on what you're eating and how your day looks like the entire day is something which is very actor specific. But I don't think so. I think everyone, every profession and every individual needs to do this specifically just for themselves, because health is something which is absolutely non-negotiable. Seeing things that are happening currently, how our body is reacting to all the nonsense that we eat outside. Not just nonsense, but even the basic vegetables these days that we find are mostly adulterated. Even the milk is adulterated. So you can't just trust on anything that you eat or consume from outside. So it's just very important that we do this at least to take care of ourselves. And as I mentioned you, my diary, the things that I write in a diary the entire day, right in the morning, what I'm supposed to eat, when I'm supposed to eat, is something which I'm going to share with you very soon, maybe in the next video. I know that will be again a boring one, but definitely an informative one. So my idea behind making all these videos is not just to entertain, but to inspire you guys towards healthy lifestyle as well. Well, now coming back to the class. The best part about Pilates is that the exercises are not at all boring. Just like this one, there's a twist to all the exercises, and it involves like 2-3 muscles of your body, and it is extremely engaging. Between all pain, no gain thoughts crossing my mind, I'm here trying to concentrate on my breath, as the breath work is extremely important with the exercise that I'm doing. Exercising and working out feels so much easier than this whole editing thing. किसी को हायर करना पड़ेगा एडिट करने के लिए. वैसे 1 घंटे का इतना बड़ा क्लास मैंने somehow I've tried to fit in 10 to 15 minutes and also show you and try not to skip any of the exercises that I've done in the class. Of course I've skipped the sides, but that's called smartness, guys. And it sort of rhymed, okay, by chance. And here we go with the brick again. This definitely makes the whole exercise way more challenging. But as I said, more challenge is more fun. However, currently my glute muscles are crying, and so are my sort of abs. The end of the entire session, you feel like you worked out so much, but this looks so easy. Of course, it is a little tough while doing, but then after the class, the satisfaction that you feel is it's next level. And here I'm trying to make circles out of this brick on top of my ankles, and 10 times clockwise, 10 times anti-clockwise. This is called mat Pilates. It's a form of Pilates. Mat Pilates because we're doing it over a mat. As you can see, the machines that are kept on the right side of my hand is the reformers. So exercises that we do on reformers, for me personally, is way more fun and interesting than the mat Pilates. Mat Pilates is something which you can do it at home, but reformers, if you want reformers to be there for you, you have to attend a Pilates class. A sort of stretching after one set of exercises. I guess the mat Pilates are over and we are on to the reformers, which I love the most. I just told you guys. Oh, wait a minute, there's a twist. There's some more exercises left on the mat. And this one is basically core and balancing. As you can see, इसमें मैं abs को tuck in करके ये सारे exercises करने वाली हूँ. Purely balancing it on my 2 arms and feet. The intensity level, of course, increases, as I said. We begin with the easiest and end with the toughest. So this again is a very easy one. You guys can try it at home. Okay, now this one seems really tough because this is purely on my triceps. Yes, triceps are a muscle on your arms which are sort of weak for me. That's what we are trying to do here, trying to strengthen the weakened muscles. A lot of people are of this idea that we were born weak and this is not our cup of tea, we can't exercise, maybe we fall short of breath, or other sort of excuses. But what I have seen with my own self, strength is something which increases over a time. Once you're at it, you're continuously working on the weakened muscles, you tend to strengthen it over the time. So never give up, never say that I was born with it. There's something which is called talent, and there's something which is called skill. Talent is something which you're born with, and skill is something which you develop over a period of time. Always a skilled person is way more talented than a person born with talents. Enough of gyan I'm giving during my exercises, but I hope it's all worth it. मैं सब कुछ बांट रही हूँ, वो भी मुफ्त मुफ्त मुफ्त. Yup. By सब कुछ I meant gyan, obviously gyan. This is the balancing exercise which I was talking about. This is killer. This looks very very easy, but go try it, guys, and let me know in the comments whether you were able to do it or not, or maybe post a video if you want to. Switching the sides, however, I'm finding the right side quite difficult. My left side was way more better. Literally fumbling and trying not to fall. This is interesting, super fun. And with this side, I guess this we are finally ending the mat pilates session and going on to the reformers very very soon. मेरे अंदर से आवाज आ रही है, reformers, reformers, reformers. But here we are stuck. Now a bit of stretching into a child's pose. All set to go on the reformers. Oh, but there is a twist. 1 minute plank, of course. How can I forget that? Oh god. Oh, planks are killer. Yes, come on, come on, come on. 1 minute. 30 seconds. 20 more to go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm done with 1 minute of plank. Reformers, yeah! This is my first exercise on the reformers. Well, it looks very easy, and yes, it is as compared to mat pilates. I'm telling you, this is way more fun. As you can see me, I'm smiling at least. So yep, as I said, it is easy, but it is all using your own body weight. So this is, I am here working on my leg muscle. Now the second exercise is for my abs again. This is again very nice. You feel it all on your core. So the teacher just said that this is my last core workout. It was super fun working out with you guys. Stay tuned for my next video.